Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make outline in your image or photo in Canva. So let's just start with it. So this effect looks best in YouTube thumbnail format as I have shared here. So let's just start with it. We will be choosing template as YouTube thumbnail. So let's type in here and click on YouTube thumbnail here. And we will be choosing a blank YouTube thumbnail from here. And upon clicking that, we will be not be using any type of pre-designed template from here, and we will go to the upload section. And as you can see, I have uploaded an image which I have downloaded, and I will share the link in the description. You will find it there, and also this remove background image. So in order to remove background directly from Canva, you have to have a Canva Pro account in order to do that. So how you can do that in Pro account? You have to go to effects and just click on background remover and you will be done with it. Now as you know, I share all the tutorials in free format, so I will show that how to do it in free format. So I will click on it, click on backspace to remove it from the canvas, and I will go to the website of remove.bg and I will click on upload image and I will use this image. As I see, I have already pre-downloaded the PNG version. I will do it again for you. So it's getting removed. As you can see, the background is removed from here, and you can just click on download here and use it. So as I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again, and I will just use this image for it. So I will make it bigger so that the effect looks much emphasized here. This looks perfect for the frame. And now let's use a dark background, or you can just do that. Go to photos. I will be preferring to use a restaurant image from here. And let's scroll down to find a perfect image which will be free. So this is a free image. I can use it here and right click to set image as background. Now you have to make it darker. So for making it darker, you can either go to adjust and just decrease the brightness or contrast, increase. You can do like that, but I will not do that. I will just create a channel hue or a duotone effect in this effect so that you can also learn the duotone effect from here. So we will go to effects, and here you can find the duotone effect. From here you can go to see all and click on any of the format you want, but I will be clicking on this violet format because I want to keep it in violet color. So I will change it to something in dark violet. So I will stretch it to here and keep it like that. So I will just click on outside so that the effect gets here ready. Now this effect is ready from here. Now I will go to effects again, and this time I will be not be choosing this duotone, and I will be choosing these shadows. So I will be choosing glow from here, the first option, as you can see. So the size of the image will go slightly down. We have to just stretch it. So we will stretch it later, but let's first apply the effect. So we'll make it a bit bigger, increase the transparency and decrease the blur so that the outline becomes totally visible. And here you can see that by default the color is black, but you can use here any color you want. For this example I will be using white, but if you want you can use any color. Like, see, if you want to use yellow, you can also do that, or you can use here this purple magenta color, or you can use this blue color. As you can see, any color you want you can use it here, but for this image effect, I will be using this white color so that it becomes much popular for this background, because this background is purple color. So if I use the same purple color, it will not look good. So you can always try that for your image, but let's make it bigger so that the image gets popular and more visible to our eyes. So as you can see, the image is getting ready here, and now this tutorial is ready for this outline effect, and you can easily use for your image design or designing of YouTube thumbnail or anything like that. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel and let us know if you want to learn any type of specific tutorial or you are facing any type of difficulty in making this effect.